One of my mentors, Steve Seiler, is very direct and very clear. And he helped me over the last 3, 4 years realize that I was trying my whole life to be good. I was trying to be good, trying to be a good girl, do the right thing. Very good, Veronica. You did the right thing. You did a good job. And what he said to me once is, you didn't come here to be good. And my whole system went, it was like complete, like everything just started to misfire. I was like, oh, what? I never heard that before. What do you mean? Of course I'm here to be good. He goes, you already are good. That's where you came from. That's what your soul is. You didn't come here to be good, kid. This is how he talks to me. You came here to be real. That's the meaning of your life. And it hit me in that moment. That's why Source, loving intelligence, made unique beings. We don't have repeats. There's no repeat of you. Not because you're supposed to squash yourself into some box of what you think you're supposed to be, but because you're here to be you, fully you. I don't know what that means completely for myself yet. I will be honest. I'm in the process, and I don't know what that means for you. But what I do know is when I touch into this, it feels like truth. You didn't come here to be a pleaser, to be perfect, to be good, to do the right thing, to be like somebody expected you to be. You came here to be you. You were made a particular way. And so the question I've been sitting with is, what makes you feel the most you? And you can ask yourself this: what makes me feel the most me? What makes me feel the most ease or the most delighted? What makes me feel? I'll give you an example. Yesterday, I had an appointment and the appointment was 30 minutes late. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go for a walk. And I live in a totally new country, in a new town I was walking through. And I was like, let me just walk. So I'm exploring, and I was hungry and I was feeling really off because I had rushed to get to this appointment. And then they were like, we're going to be 30 minutes late. I'm like, great. Where do I find food? Like, what do I do here? So I'm looking for food and I eat something, and I'm walking and I'm feeling a little off. And something in me turns into an art supply store. And the next thing you know, I'm buying canvases and paint and art supplies. And I'm talking to the artist in there about learning basic things so that I can make, I have a vision of what I want to start creating. I walked out of there and felt so good. That was a clue. There's an artist inside me who was not allowed out. There's a very core part of me who's an artist, who I pour into my work. I pour it into, structure, but there's a wild artist that's not tied to producing something or making an income from it. That's like a bit wild and uncertain. It's just like, I don't know what's going to happen. That is how you know, because you feel elated, you feel more you feel ease, you feel delighted. So you might make a list and start exploring energetically what feels more you. And this is why we're here. And what's beautiful is this will feed your message. It's going to feed your message. The more you are, the more truth you exude. And then the more your audience magnetizes to you, because they're like, there's my person. She's just like me. Or there's something about her that I want now. Like, I see she's actualized that. I want to actualize that. Okay. The fourth pillar